In today's video, I'm going to teach you Semrush alternatives and competitors. If you've been using Semrush or you're just starting to explore SEO tools, it's helpful to know what else is out there and which platform might be the best fit for your budget, your experience level, and your specific goals. In this video, we'll walk through some of the top alternatives to Semrush, what each one is best for, and why you might choose one over another. Let's start with one of the strongest competitors, Ahrefs. This tool is especially powerful for SEO research and in particular, backlinks. If analyzing backlinks is a big part of your strategy, Ahrefs is often considered one of the best options available. It gives you deep insight into which websites are linking to you and your competitors, how strong those links are, and where your link building opportunities might be. On top of that, it has solid keyword research features and very good competitor analysis, which makes it one of the closest direct alternatives to Semrush overall. Next, we have Moz Pro. This platform is often recommended for beginners and small teams because of its cleaner, more approachable interface. If you find Semrush a bit overwhelming, Moz Pro might feel easier to navigate. It's particularly useful for rank tracking, so you can monitor how your keywords perform over time, and for on-page SEO suggestions. While it's not as advanced or feature-packed as some of the other tools, that simplicity can actually be a benefit if you're just getting started and want to avoid information overload. Moving on to Ubersuggest. This is a strong choice if you're on a tight budget. It gives you keyword ideas to help you find topics your audience is searching for, an SEO audit to highlight technical issues on your site, and content suggestions to guide what you should write next. The interface is beginner-friendly, and the pricing tends to be much lower than many big-name tools, which makes it appealing if you're just testing the waters with SEO. Another option is SE Ranking. Think of this as an affordable all-in-one solution. It includes keyword tracking, backlink monitoring, and site audit features. If you want a balanced tool that covers most core SEO needs without the premium price tag, SE Ranking offers strong value for money and is a good middle ground between basic and advanced platforms. Finally, there's Mangools. This suite is best if your main focus is simple, effective keyword research. Its key tools include KWF Finder, which makes it very easy to discover keyword opportunities, and a SERP analysis features that show you who's ranking and why. The design is very beginner-friendly, so if you want a gentle entry into SEO without a steep learning curve, Mangools is a great option. By understanding what each of these platforms does best, you can choose the tool that truly matches your needs, instead of just defaulting to one option.